हाँ, आ रहा है 2013।
जो ना होगा तेरा या मेरा।
वेल, दुनिया है हसीनों का झमेला,
पर मैं हूँ एकदम अकेला।
तो चलो शुरू करें 2012 के यादों का मेला।
खाएगा केला।
वेलकम टू स्पोर्ट्स हफ्ता।
So yes guys, this is the last edition of Sports Hafta in 2012.
It is the 2012 sports review that we have, where we review those moments of sports that gave us in 2012. So Manas, what did 2012 give you in sports?
It gave me a lot of pain, but as they say, there is no pain without Spain.
Oh yes.
Spain won the Euro
Huh.
and they won the third consecutive big title, big championship.
Exactly.
And Fernando Torres won the Golden Boot.
Fernando Torres.
Golden Boot. Chawanprash hai.
Well, apart from Torres and Spain, we saw the Balotelli celebration, which caught the eye of every football fan.
एक मिनट रुक जा. When I score, I don't celebrate because it's my job. When a postman delivers letters, does he celebrate?
No. Sorry, Shaktiman.
So Fahad, what made it your 2012 ka superb moment?
Well, my moment was the non-screamer of a goal by Aguero.
Aguero!
Manas, don't rub it in. Because, well, let me tell you this one thing. It was an appreciated goal for the Premier League because that game and that match went on till the last day of the Premier League, and where the better team won apparently.
Well, you should have seen Phil Jones ka chehra when they came to know that Aguero scored. It just reminded me of my stomach upset, you know. ऐसा उसका मुंह था, you know.
Why don't you इस्तेमाल carefree जो सोखे 5 गुना ज़्यादा.
Carefree.
Huh.
Talking about carefree, I just remember that Chelsea also won the Champions League.
Well, quite undeserving actually for Roman, you know.
And I mean, Roman thought it was so undeserving that he sat RTM and got
Rafa, and then they proved that they are really deserving to win the, you know, the Champions League because they won.
And now they are so deserving that Drogba went to China.
And then from that we come to know that Chelsea joke to China.
देखा है तुमने कभी आईना?
Well, Manas, what next?
What next? Samsung. But anyway, Lance Armstrong got ripped of all the titles in Tour de France.
Well, apparently he got ripped off because he said that Chelsea are more deserving champions in the Champions League, you know. So
This joker is just joking, but the reality of the situation is that he was found partying and having narcotic drugs with Rahul Sharma and Wayne Parnell in Mumbai Juhu.
well, this proves that Lance Armstrong is a very big fan of Pune Warriors India.
That is very sad, but
Yes.
Lance, we will miss
Not.
you.
Not.
We will miss
Not.
you a lot.
Not. Yeah. Totally, Lance. We will
Miss you
not.
a lot.
Not.
तू बोल अभी मैं not बोलता.
हाँ फिर I miss you.
Not.
Lot. I miss you. Well, now it's time for the Olympics.
Well, in this Olympics, we saw a hairstylist make India proud.
Really? A hairstylist? Who's this hairstylist you're talking about, man?
Mary Kom.
Well, dude, kuch bhi. But seriously, India did make the highest tally. They won 6 medals in Olympics. This is a really, really good performance by India in the Olympics. Seriously.
But Michael Phelps created history! Wala from America.
Yeah, what a player. He won 22 medals, 18 gold and like 4 other medals.
I see my chest hair.
What a player,
My daughter sucks. What a player.
What a player! What a player!
What a player.
What a player! What a player!
Guys, it was a action-packed 2012 where Stuart Downing scored a goal and Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi scored 91 goals. He broke Gerd Muller's record of maximum goals in a calendar year.
Wow, isn't that like more goals than Liverpool that he scored this year?
Anyway, bumper please.
Well, wait. Before the bumper happens, I want to show you one breakthrough goal that happened in this 2012. You want to see?
Yeah. That was the Ibrahimovic goal against England in the friendly. 2012, we saw F1 domination where Sebastian Vettel won the Drivers' Championship third consecutive time, Fahad.
Well, we didn't focus much on Sebastian Vettel this year around, but there was one really very special person that was on our list, on our hit list. Who was that, Manas?
Narayan Karthikeyan! Always came last.
Yeah,
He
exactly.
made it his habit. His chivalry wala behavior has made all Indian guys very happy. You know,
Yeah, exactly.
all the girls feel Indian guys come last now.
Now you know, like all the Delhi girls really love Narayan Karthikeyan, and like
He never forces anything. He always comes.
He always
last.
comes last, and he's made it a habit. And we're really happy for Narayan Karthikeyan. May next year around in next F1 you come last again.
Narayan Karthikeyan के बच्चे का नाम क्या रहेगा?
क्या?
He comes last, so Kamlesh. So Fahad, 2012 tennis क्या हुआ?
Well, टेनिस में क्या बताऊं? टेनिस प्लेयर्स रोए, फिर उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स रोई, फिर कोचेस शेड्स पहन के रो रहे थे. That was all about that tennis actually happened. You
Well,
know?
that is true. Roger Federer won his 7th Wimbledon title, and then Murray cried.
Yeah, and then Andy Murray won his first Grand Slam title. Then Murray cried,
And Rafael Nadal won his 7th French Open,
and then he.
No. He didn't cry. No. He made out with his girlfriend. उसने उसको French kiss किया on clay because French Open है ना clay. मिट्टी पे.
Well, that was so hot, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
And well, anyways, Arsenal were trophyless yet again, and all of them cried.
Yes, they are rebuilding a team.
Yeah, exactly.
1950.
Yeah, and Van Persie went to United. So Wenger was crying as always. Sorry. Yeah,
Sorry, Arsenal fans. Keep on crying.
Keep crying.
So guys, I think we are done. Fahad, है ना? हो गया ना? सब हो गया ना?
Manas, aren't we forgetting something? I mean, there's something very crucial, I guess we're forgetting.
Oh, हाँ, cricket we
Yes.
saw the Great Wall of India retiring. We saw the very special Lakshman retiring, man.
Yes, and we saw a phoenix rise from cancer and make an amazing comeback.
Genghis
And then-
King.
Yeah, and then we saw the god of cricket just retiring from ODIs. I mean, that was really sad.
That was really sad, and you know what is more sad? Ravindra Jadeja and Piyush Chawla played a test match for India.
Well, how sad could that be? I mean, just remind us. You know, I just remember of Ravindra Jadeja and Piyush Chawla. I just wanna, just wrap this show up. I don't like this show anymore. We talk about Ravindra Jadeja and Piyush Chawla.
This is my show.
Yeah, this is my show.
We can't have Jadeja and
We can't have Chawla on the show. This is a last edition. This is a 2013 edition. 2012 edition. Sorry for that behavior because Ravindra Jadeja and Piyush Chawla, we really hate him.
Guys, this is Manas.
And I'm Fahad. And
Guys, we are wrapping up for the last time in
yeah.
2012.
Yeah, exactly. Well, in 2013, you will see a new Manas and a new Fahad. because-
No, we are not being replaced. We'll
Yeah.
just go to the gym.
Yeah, and like I'll
Broad
have
shoulders,
broad
six-pack
shoulders,
abs.
six-packs, abs.
Maza aane wala hai. All
Yeah.
the chicks in the
All
house.
the chicks in the house and Manas, I guess it's time now. Like you
क्या
should
हुआ?
really move now.
क्या हुआ?
Like
क्या
you
हुआ?
should move.